everyone, welcome back if you are new here. My name is Niusha, and as always, it's so wonderful to have you here. We are going to look into the Meraki 4th edition tarot deck. So, without further ado, let's jump into it. Let's take a moment, please, and admire this beautiful box. Do you see? I love this detail of glass in the matte surface. Gosh, I love boxes. Oh my gosh. So, this is Meraki Tarot, 4th edition, and we lead with our souls to an expansive world full of treasures to be had, filling us with passion and creativity by Bouchette Design and, of course, 2024th edition. So, we have, as you see, a lot of cards apart from 78 tarot cards that we have. We have one intro card. And we have astrological sign, the lovely bag, and solar system associations, again, for all planets, crystal associations, per major arcana, and then we have the astrology and element per each card. Here is the guidebook of this deck. So this doesn't come like with a book or booklet. It is this card style guidebook that we have for major arcana, minor arcana, cup, swords, pentacles. And this deck comes with oracle cards. We have yes or no and other ones here that I will show you in the walkthrough. And then we have also the meaning for each oracle cards that we have here. This is the beautiful bag, such a lovely pattern, and the edge color, isn't it lovely? It's like this rusty orangish brownish earth color. Amazing, amazing. So the card quality, it is on a very high quality card, 350 GSM, has this soft touch matte lamination. Oh my gosh, I love, this is my favorite ever cardstock. Soft touch matte lamination. It's like a therapy when you touch it. It's just so relaxing. And of course, it's in a standard tarot size, and in total in this deck we have 107 cards, as I showed you already. So we have 78 traditional tarot deck, 1 cover card, 1 Meraki extra major arcana, and 13 information cards, 10 oracle cards, and also 3 new illustration for Page of Cups, Queen of Swords, and King of Swords, that I have it here separated. Okay, let's start our journey and enjoy the walkthrough. Time for our shuffling test. Let's do people shuffle. Lovely. No problem. Let's do side shuffling. Perfectly doable. Then overhand. Keep in mind, because it has this silkish, soft touch cardstock. In the beginning, the cards might stick to each other, but then over time they will be fine. So lovely, lovely. Let's take a card. See how the guidebook looks like. Page of Pentacles. Sweetie. So we go to our guide, and where is the pentacle? Here. So we have page. Ambitious, devoted, explorer, innocent. And the reverse, delays, immature, irresponsible. Lovely. Right, keyboards to the point. Okie dokie. I hope you love this deck. It's a very beautiful deck. I love the card quality, and the color palette, as you saw through the walkthrough, is a bit kind of bluish, like this dreamy vibe, which is quite nice to have. And yeah, let me know in the comments if you like the deck, you have it, or you want to purchase it, and how do you feel about this deck in general. Until next time, please stay safe, healthy, and on top of everything, always happy. Bye bye.